Cameroonians, which internet service provider is best for live streaming? If you're a pastor or a content creator and you have been facing difficulties choosing the right internet service provider, then I am here for you. I'm going to give you my honest review and live test of my best internet service provider here in Cameroon. Let's go ahead and then jump into my computer. Let me give you my simple review about these internet service providers. We are now inside the computer where I'm going to show you my speed test. I'm using Orange, which is a live box. Okay, there's a live box just here that I'm using, and we're going to use this live box to test this internet speed. This is for Orange, and on my phone I'm going to tether MTN, and then we're going to test MTN as well. But for now, let's go with Orange. So I'll go over to Google and then type in speed test. Okay, speed test. I always love to use something like this speed test by Okla. All right, it's kind of like good because it shows the type of internet service provider that you're using. So I'll go ahead and then just take go. Here you can see the download speed of 0.78 megabytes per second. All right, now the most important thing that you have to take note of when you are streaming live is actually this. Okay, it's actually your upload speed. Okay, this upload speed is very important when it comes to live streaming. For instance, if you see here, you see 15.71 upload speed. So this upload speed can really stream your videos nicely. So if you didn't know this is an amazing tip that I'm giving you. Always make sure that you focus on the upload speed when you want to go live. I want to give you a quick test on a live stream. I'm going to go over now to my Facebook page. Okay, now here is my Facebook page. I want to use this software. All right, I'm using vMix, and here is the front camera of my laptop. Okay, on this other side, so we have the front camera of my laptop, and that is the image that you are seeing over here. And then I have my mirrorless camera over there, Sony. Okay, and this is just a basic interface of vMix. Okay, so with this basic interface, I am actually recording the screen that you are seeing. Okay, the screen that you are seeing, and I'm also recording the session itself. So now I want to go down to something like live stream. I'll take the live stream, and here I'm going to go ahead and then input, go to custom. Now these are things that you can go ahead, contact me, and I'm going to teach you how to do most of these things. I'll go over to Facebook, go live. So here I have my webcam, and then I have streaming software. So I'll go in for streaming software. Now this is better because I can actually manipulate and then switch between cameras and all of this. I'll give you a link down below where you can buy vMix, but if you don't know how to do that, you can also contact me and I'll guide you on how to get one. So I'll go over and then take my streaming key, but I always love to turn on this persistent key. I'll turn it on, and I'll take copy, and I'll go back to my streaming software, and then I paste my key. Okay, once I paste my key, I'll go to my streaming URL, and then under my streaming URL, I'll also paste my streaming URL. Okay, now once I'm done pasting my streaming URL, I'll go ahead and then choose my quality. Let's say I'm going for something like 720p here, which is 1 megabyte per second. This is perfect for Facebook. 720 is good quality. So I'm done doing this, I'll just take start. Okay, now once I take start, I'll take save. All right, now you see when you start seeing this yellow, it means your internet is not good, but you see that it's showing red. It's showing that my internet connection is really good. So if you see the red, know that it's very good. So I'll go back now to Facebook, and I'm going to see my live video. So here is my live video here. Okay, this is my live video. I see how consistent this live video is. So this is actually just a test stream that I wanted to show you guys. I can go ahead and then add in details. You can contact me, and I'm going to guide you how to go live using your computer or any other device. All right, so this is so persistent that this is the best option that you can always use. See, all right, here it's ending at 360p. It's not still bad for a quality, but you can always increase. Like for instance, I can decide now to increase my stream quality, but I can stop this stream and then increase it to about 1080p depending on the speed of your internet. Okay, so always make sure that you check all of these things before you go live. So I'm going to go ahead and then switch off my internet connection now. Okay, I'll stop the stream and I'm going to switch on now to MTN Cameroon. Okay, let me just refresh the page. So here, just tap on go. Alright, once I tap on go, I'm going to wait, let it run through and give me the right results. Here we can see the proper test. So here you notice that MTN is having 1.67 download speed, and then they have 2.19 upload speed. So the upload speed of MTN is actually a little bit low, and this is going to disturb you when it comes to consistency. Now let's go ahead and then go back to my live stream. Okay, I'll go back to my software, copy the stream key again, and I'm going to go back to my streaming software. Okay, once I go back to my streaming software, I'll click and I'll type in my streaming key. I'll paste my streaming key and then I start this. Okay, I'll go back now, and here you can see our live video. But one advice I'm going to advise you is that always make sure that you have these two hanging around. If one is failing, because we don't know, because some of these things at times they really fail. So even if Orange is failing you in a little way, make sure that you have a backup. Okay, so you have seen it for yourself. I recommend Orange Cameroon. I've been doing live streaming since 2017 and I have experience in these things and I've been testing all these services. So who am I? I'm a content creator, a software engineer, a video editor, a graphic designer, and I offer live streaming services. If you want any of these services, make sure that you contact me.